Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Zengo wallet account. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo application. All right, but then in this sense, if you launch your, all right, so they're asking me to put in my fingerprints, right, because Zengo is security type. All right, so they're security conscious. Okay, so right here. Now, if you're trying to recover your Zengo wallet account, then it will not be easy for you to actually open it up like I have done right here. All right, so let's say you lost your account, or you lost your account for one reason, you forgot your password, or just something happened and you want to try to recover your account. The first thing I would like you to know is that you need to ensure that you have gone through with all of the security verification processes or the security update processes. And what do I mean by that? So from this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen, you're going to find the security tab. So click on that security tab, and here you have your recovery kit. So ensure that you have clicked on recovery kit and you have gone through the process of of your account recovery following these recovery processes, as the email verification, 3D face lock, and then your recovery file. So once you've done that and you're sure that you have updated your security details, then you can now start using your account. This is the first thing you need to do once you create your Zengo account. Now, let's say you are just why you kept using Zengo, something happened and you lost your account and you just want to recover it. This is what you're going to do. So once you have launched your Zengo web application, it's going to take you to a home page where you need to add your email. All right, where you need to add your email address. Now, ensure that you do not reset your old phone, all right, before you try to recover your Zengo account. Ensure that you do not reset it. So ensure that you have set up your Zengo in your new phone before you reset your old phone, so you can secure your details. So once you get into that window, which is the first window to enter your email address, enter the email address that you used in registering for Zengo, the exact email address. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to verify your email. All right, so click on that, get open mail, something like that. So click on that button, it's going to take you right into your mail. Once you get into your mail, go ahead and click on the verification button to verify your email. Click on that, and after clicking on that, your email is going to be verified. Now after that, you're going to have to recover your account by scanning your face. So once your email verification has been successful, it's going to take you right to the application where you're going to be asked to scan your face. Now that's part of your recovery kit. That's the 3D face verification. Now follow through with that process to verify your face using 3D face lock. Now after doing that, it's now going to take you right into your account. So that's pretty much the recovery steps. All right, so that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.